Okay, let's see if we can make a cool engineering object using some simple mathematical functions. So here I'm going to start by first creating my x linear space as 1 to 1. Let's try 1 point. And for those who don't like to hear my husky voice, let us speed up the rest of the process. Now, here is the object extracted into a separate figure. So you can see that this is a pulley, which is like a simple part of most mechanical system. So if you happen to have a 3D printer, you can actually 3D print this by converting this to the STL format. And to do that, I think then you have to go to my MATLAB page. Let me show you that here. And then you go to my files and software STL function. If you download this function and then you pass that object, it's going to give you an STL file that you can send to your 3D printer. Thank you.